Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Sunday, September 24th, 2017. The main fire potential impacts continue to be some rain and snow moving into eastern portions of the Great Basin, with snow at the higher elevations of western Wyoming and along the northern Utah mountains. After today, some dryness will move back into the eastern Great Basin and temperatures will begin to rise slightly as the sun comes out. And we'll see a little bit more moisture return to southeast Utah by Tuesday. Precipitation lingered across much of Utah yesterday, with some lightning observed over northeast Utah. Snow totals for the past 24 hours are shown here, with the blues coming in at 2 to 4 inches and the oranges closer to 4 to 6. Initial attack was light with looks like 3 new fires. Observed precipitation for the past 7 days favored the northern half of the geographic area, with a good amount of precipitation coming to north central and northeast Nevada. This does not include precipitation from yesterday, which would show a little bit more over Utah. But some of those values are reaching near normal for the past 30 days and even above normal in some areas. Overall fire danger has decreased dramatically over the past 7 to 10 days, and most values are coming in below the 50th percentile. This morning's satellite imagery shows that area of low pressure spinning right over northern Utah today, contributing to some of those ongoing rain and snow showers. The forecast for this afternoon shows that area of low pressure beginning to slightly move off to the east, but we'll continue to see these rain and snow showers throughout the day today in eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, and across much of northern Utah. Winds are somewhat gusty over western Idaho and northern Nevada, with gusts out of the north and northwest. By tomorrow, dryness will return to much of Utah, with a little bit more moisture moving back into western Idaho. Overall, clear skies are expected for tomorrow, with just lingering snow showers in western Wyoming and over the higher elevations of northeast Utah. Winds will die down across the north, but maybe pick up a little bit over the southern third of the area. By Tuesday, dryness continues to return to the geographic area. Temperatures will still be fairly cool under northerly flow, but the sunny skies will return. 3-day precip totals are highlighted mainly over western Wyoming and northern Utah, and this is mainly just for the storms expected throughout today. Into the middle of next week, warm and dry weather continues over much of Idaho, Nevada, and even into northwest Utah, but a little bit of moisture swings back into southeast Utah as there's a pretty good subtropical moisture feed moving up through Mexico and into Texas and the central U.S. We'll see a little bit of that move back into southeast Utah. And on Thursday, a continued warm and dry signal for Idaho and Nevada, while that moisture will potentially even increase and spread across the state of Utah for Thursday. By Friday, that moisture moves off to the east and dryness returns to the geographic area. And on Saturday, the flow becomes more westerly to northwesterly once again, keeping temperatures near 70 degrees and a general dry pattern across the area. 7-day totals shown here are highlighting that subtropical feed up into Texas and the central U.S., and we can see some of that back into southeast Utah midweek next week. The extended outlook calls for above normal temperatures for most of the geographic area, with an above normal precipitation trend across the northern half and below normal across the south. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.